In this video, I will show you why you need to include odd transactions into your financial forecast. Most businesses will have some transactions that need to be treated differently. They can be categorized as follows: capital introduction or drawings by owners, revenue that is not derived from the usual activities of the business, for example, interest earned, unusual, irregular expenses, for example, cost of a trade show. The revenue will be visible in the income statement in its own category and in the account ledger. The expenses will be visible in the income statement as a part of fixed costs, on the pie graph, and in the account ledger. The first category requires more attention for two reasons. One, here you are required to enter negative values. This is necessary to distinguish between the owner's investment into the business and drawings, where the latter needs a minus in front of the amount. 2. It can be used to keep the current ratio within a healthy range, ensuring the business's ability to pay its bills as they become due. To demonstrate the point, let's look at the cash flows graph. It is clear that the business has too much cash on hand in years 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is also evident on the current ratio graph. By drawing, say, $6,000 per month, or $72,000 in year 2, we remedy the situation for that year. I will repeat the step for the remaining years, increasing the monthly drawings by $1,000 each year. As we can see, the current ratio is a bit on the low side, but we know the business will have enough money to meet its financial obligations. If the bank manager wasn't happy, we would simply plan to draw less. For example, $80,000 in year 5. As you know by now, the changes will be visible in the cash flow area, impacting both cash on hand and the cash variance, in the balance sheet, cash on hand on the graph and as part of current assets, and equity. The cash variance will also be visible in the account ledger. Notice that it is possible for the cash variance to have a negative value in a financial period with no long-term impact on the business's health. If this was a concern, you would simply adjust their drawings accordingly. That is all for now. Thanks for watching.